Welcome to ED104. ED104 is all about child development, and throughout the semester we will be looking at the development of children from birth to age 9. Now you'll want to pay close attention to this tutorial. Otherwise, you may look like these two by the end of the semester. This semester we will be using a textbook. The textbook is listed on the syllabus. I can't stress anymore the importance of making sure you have the textbook. Thankfully, I believe the librarians have ordered this edition to be on reserve this semester if you're having trouble getting the book. But we will be using the book, and you will need it each week to do your assignments, to study for the exams, and ultimately to do your case study. Every time you enter the course, you will land on the landing page, or the front page, some people call it. Here you will have access to the syllabus, announcements, modules, grades, and chat. Please, 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 always begin with reviewing the announcements. Each week I will be providing you with detailed announcements on what to do during the week and any updates as well. I also will do announcements on clarifications for assignments, so you'll want to really check there weekly, and sometimes maybe more than once a week. The module link will take you directly to what you need to do for each module. In each module, you will see that there are several weeks in a module. Make sure that you do not skip and you do things in order. So if you do some things in week 1 and then do some things in week 2, you're more likely to forget and go back and do the assignments that you missed. The grade tab is basically where you can find out what's your grade on an assignment, and I will send all feedback on assignments and quizzes there as well. You'll want to check that weekly because I do grade all assignments within a few days to a week. The last feature is something that I'm using for the first time this semester, and it's called chat. The chat feature is basically if you can't attend my office hours but you have a quick question, you can send a message there. You can also, in the middle of the night, if you have a question, send it there, and I can answer it in the morning and respond to you. So please use that if you have any questions during the semester. The very first module you will want to complete is the important course information module. It is at the top and you really can't miss it. Here you have access to the syllabus, the manner contract agreement, discussion forum rubrics, and additional assignments and rubrics for the course. Please make sure that you review all of them at the beginning of the semester and send me any questions you may have. Note that this course requires fieldwork. For your case study this semester, you will have to do a minimum of 5 hours. You will need to have signed a Manor College contractual agreement prior to doing your fieldwork. This is an agreement between the center or program that you will do your fieldwork and Manor College. The program will have to sign as well as me. So here's an example of what you might see in a module. If you notice, it always begins with an introduction to the module, and then you'll see that each week is divided up with a text header. You'll have presentations and readings that you need to do. You'll also have various assignments, and you'll always have practice quizzes to do towards the end of the week. Please, 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 I can't stress again, make sure you do everything in order. Try not to skip to easier assignments and do harder ones later. It's built to scaffold your learning, and it's best to do it in order. At the completion of every module, you will be asked to complete the exit ticket. Although this is optional, I am providing students with extra credit who complete these exit tickets. So please take 5 minutes and fill out the exit ticket at the end all the modules when you are prompted. Now remember, at the end of the course, you will be asked to complete a end of course evaluation. Please, please, please make sure you fill that out. That allows me to make adjustments to the course for future students, as well as improve our overall program. It provides me critical information from you about my performance during the semester. I also will send you a mid-course evaluation. That's just to see how Canvas is running and to see how the course is flowing. Both evaluations are anonymous, so please, please, please fill out the evaluations. Our journey begins on September 4th. See you soon.